Hi, my name is Klaus Lebrecht. You've probably known me if you're in the taxidermy or the antler world. I've been known for many, many years in producing really high quality antler reproductions, and in recent years we've now transcended into doing fish reproductions. And this is a little revisited project I came up with here. Years and years ago I had pursued this, but actually done a sculpture of a little small fish on a plaque. And the concept back then was to develop something that people could view as a craft. This of course is a bluegill sunfish, but the product series is going to be called Klaus Kits. And we have a whole pile of species coming out of different fish. Largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, pumpkin seed, crappie, perch, etc. So it's a one piece, as you can see here. This comes out like so, and this is what it comes out of the mold like, and now we have the finished painted piece here. This is all done with acrylics, very, very simple. What we've also done to make this project a little bit easier is we've made a video of this. It's condensed from 6 hours down to about 12 minutes, so you can look at the techniques that I use to paint this fish. If you so desire, you can follow this. We'll be sending you reference materials. We'll be sending you a step-by-step instruction how to do this. Not only that, but you'll get a paint kit with all the colors that you would need. These are acrylics. They're very user-friendly, non-toxic. Something the kids, you can leave them with it. You're not going to have to worry that they're going to get poisoned or anything like that. And we provide the paintbrushes. So when you purchase this kit, you are actually ready to go. When you're having a party, perhaps a birthday party or just a party to get your kids together and bring some of the neighbor kids over, we are offering party packs of 3 fish and party packs of 12. What we're doing here also is this embossed area, the fish itself, will be sold separately for those that want to just paint a fish. And the reason we want to do that is you could put a magnet on the back, stick it on your refrigerator as a holder. You could put a string in it, hang it on your window, hang it as an ornament on a tree. Whatever you want to do, it would have multi-purposes, and of course would be more inexpensive than the entire plaque project. There's a collectability aspect to this. If you like this, and you got somebody that's just crazy about the fish that are in most of our lakes here in the northern part of the nation, you can collect these. And we're going to be doing a lot of this. There's so many species of fish that we can do other than just the obvious ones. There's all the trout and even some of the rough fish, the different types of the red horse and things like that are really pretty and would be nice to collect. So that's our goal as a company, to keep moving forward with this. We're not going to just stop. This is just our introduction piece, one that most people recognize, that being the bluegill.